Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. This week's PPF Pro Tip video, I'm going to go over what tools are needed for a successful paint protection film installation. So first and foremost, you're going to want to use isopropyl alcohol to clean the panels that you're going to be protecting. The isopropyl alcohol, I like to use a minimum of 70% strength or stronger. What this is going to do is it's going to remove any waxes, grease, oil, fingerprints from the paint, anything that could prevent the PPF from sticking long term. You're going to need a tack solution bottle. Tack solution is just the solution that's needed to lock the film into place when you're in the middle of your install. You're going to need a separate slip solution bottle. Slip solution is designed to help glide the PPF around in place before you lock it in place with your tack solution. We have a separate video on how to mix your solutions. I'm going to link that in the description below, as well as links to all the tools that I'm going to be mentioning here. You're also going to want microfiber towels, something good just to soak up all the solution once you're done. Lint-free glass drying towel, or glass cleaning towel I should say. I like to use this with the isopropyl alcohol straight, and I like to use this for prepping all of my edges. A small little butane torch. I like to use the torch when I'm wrapping sharp edges like on a hood or a fender or whatnot. Edges that are not going to be seen that could potentially pop up. I like to use the torch, give it just a little bit of heat, and that's going to burn the memory out of the film, and it's going to prevent the film from ever popping up. So when you're using a torch, be careful where you use it and be careful how often you use it, because you can screw up pretty quick using this. Good quality heat gun. If you're in Canada, I picked this up at Canadian Tire. It's got, I think, 3 different heat settings on it. This heat gun is going to be used to go around all of your edges to make sure all your paint protection film edges are dried out and down and not going to lift up. Next, obviously, squeegees. So you're going to want a good quality squeegee, something super flexible like these pink ones here. You can find these on our website, link in the description below. Try and get a couple different sizes. Currently, we only have one size available, but having a couple different sizes doesn't hurt. Clay bar, you can pick this up on our website as well too. Clay bar is used to remove any embedded contamination from the paint, such as bird droppings, tree sap, road tar, that kind of thing. You're going to want a good quality knife. I like these red dots. They're amazing. I think every paint protection film installer out there uses these, and the consensus is that these are amazing knives. You're going to want a blade snapper, something that you can snap off the dull blades into, and so those blades are not lying around on the floor. Blades, I like to use the Olfa 35-degree carbon blades. These things are amazing, and they last for a long time before they need to be snapped off. One question I've seen is, can you use a vinyl squeegee when you're doing a PPF installation such as this? No, do not use one. We have done some vinyl installations in the shop here previously, which is why we have one of these, but do not ever use a vinyl squeegee when doing a paint protection film install. And if you're looking to take the paint protection film seriously and offer this to your customers, and you'll be doing a ton of volume, instead of using individual small bottles for your solutions, I would get a pressurized tank. This tank you can fill, obviously you can put a ton of solution in here. You fill it up once and you should be good for the rest of your day. This one requires an air compressor to get it up to the proper PSI so you can have proper pressure. But this is something that's totally not necessary unless you're doing a ton of volume and you're getting sick and tired of always filling up your spray bottles. So this is just a short video that I did on all the tools that you're going to need to do a successful paint protection film installation. Obviously, this is a little bit of a luxury. It's not necessarily needed, but it's nice to have. All these tools will be linked in the description below on where you can pick them up. And we will also link the video on how to properly mix your solutions. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment down below with what your thoughts are on the video and whether you have some constructive criticism or any other suggestions what you would like to see in future videos. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more PPF content. Now, before you go, I just want to let you guys know, us at Drive Protected, we just launched our own car care line. So if you head over to driveprotected.shop, I'll have the link in the description of this video. You can check out our new amped all-purpose cleaner, megawatt foam soap, and our recharge ceramic detailing spray. Make sure you use code PROTECTED and you will save 20% on your order. Thanks again.